I wasn't quite sure what I was going to film this week, but then I remembered that I had some projects that I started but then I never finished, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you some DIYs, some fashion, some clothes that I originally planned on making videos of years and years ago, but then never actually finished them. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So I have 3 items. I have a long blue dress, and it's hand sewn, and my problems with it are it's too long, it needs to be hemmed at the bottom, it's missing a button, which I'm not quite sure what to do about because I don't know where the button went. Sewn, I think it's actually fine and I don't need to do anything other than hem it at the bottom, and also sew the straps on. As you can see, the straps are kind of just safety pinned in place for now because I wasn't quite sure what length to make them, so I'm happy I chose to do that. So I also need to sew the straps down. So I also have this silver skirt, and what I need to do for that is I need to fix the top and cut the bottom of the skirt shorter and hem it. Hi, Daisy. And hem it at the bottom. As you can see, the back is kind of shorter and it's got like this mesh going on, and it's also hand sewn completely. The zipper doesn't quite match the skirt, but I'm okay with that. I think it looks fine and I don't think it's really that noticeable. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed, and you can subscribe if you like. I'm trying to do videos every Wednesday, and all my socials and links are down below. Bye!